Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. I'm giving ADA now a yellow support box. The orange one basically hasn't broken yet, but I think it will. We talked in the previous video about that if ADA drops a bit further, it may reset the larger wave too. That's fine. It actually makes the chart look a little bit better because then I have a 1-2 setup instead of having a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. Yeah, so it's giving me one impulse to the upside of the 10th of March low, then an A wave down, an overshooting B wave, and the C wave down now. That's a potential we discussed in the previous video today. The reason is that this is a 3-wave move up, and if I'm measuring the decline here, so we had basically an A wave down, yeah, and the B wave up, and we take a look at the retracements for an overshooting B wave. Now you can see how perfectly it actually reacted to the 1.38 retracement. That is typically an ideal target for an overshooting B wave. So to put the subwave structure actually onto the chart, it gives me here an A wave in 3 waves, an overshooting B wave, and the C wave down. Now to count the C wave is a bit messy here, but we could go and say, right, we had a wave 1, a wave 2, this here might still be the 3rd wave, then a 4th and a 5th. It's a bit nebulous, but it's probably what we've got at the moment. The C wave might unfold as an ending diagonal, right? Yeah, so this is sort of, and even though not perfectly defined, but we might have the situation here of a descending wedge. That's often what you see in these, it's not terribly well defined, but that's normally what you basically see in these ending diagonals. Now you can argue, okay, do we move the trend line a little bit more like that, open it up a little bit? That's what the market will need to determine really, but so far we have a descending wedge here that is a bullish breakout pattern. Again, not terribly well defined, but it adds up with a view that this was an A wave, overshooting B wave, and the C wave down. Now the thing is, and that's a problem with these overshooting B waves, you never really know, do you get a C wave which is above the A wave or below? It would be good for ADA not really to go below the A wave low, because then there isn't really much space. So again, ideally it's holding 31.27 cents. If it doesn't, then I've got 29.7 as support, and below that 27, but below that level, yeah, we're probably going to see new bear market lows, to be honest. So ideally it's holding 31.2 cents for direct continuation in the 3rd wave up. Just in a range really, hasn't really moved too much, yeah, since the 14th of March. But let's see, ideally it's getting close to finishing here. Maybe a wave 4 bounce underway now, yeah, and then one more leg down in the 5th. So it could even be something like this. It might give us a very short wave 5. But that's speculation at this stage. The point here is, at the moment, I don't have any indication that the low is in. Already in the previous video, we didn't. So I did tell you that, yeah, be ready for possibly more downside, because ADA so far looked weak. And yeah, so that's the situation we're in. So ideally, again, we get a little bit deeper into support. Ideally, we hold 31.7 or 31.2 and would then rally in a 3rd wave. All right, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.